Does life get any easier? When can we know the seeds are planted, the roots are watered, it just takes some time to grow? 'Cause we live in a life where we are always right, we want things right away. But is that how we've told ourselves to live every day? What happened to patience? What happened to kindness? Where'd all the love go? Reach inside and let it show.
We are here at Lagoon Park, and behind me we see an extraordinarily large bird. I believe it's a duck.
Brothers and sisters, parents and children, have you any value? We always say, back in the day, instill discipline. All these principles we still use. What happened to respect? What about generosity? Where'd all the love go? Reach inside and let it show.
You wanna see ugly? Oh! Here's ugly.
Beautiful.
Right here.
The bag.
Big, 8-1.